Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to continue your registration, how to do your face registration with ink. Okay guys, formerly known as Cpen. Right now, you will be able to see this area. As you can see, action required. Your KYC will be revoked if you do not complete the liveness check. Please complete the liveness verification to keep your KYC. It means that if you have done your KYC before, you have to complete the liveness checking. So what are they require? They require is for you to mine for just 10 days. That is continuous trek for 10 days. After 10 days, it will pop up and this page will show up. Let's move down to this area. Okay, after you press this, just press this KYC verification require. As you can see it here now, if you have not mined up to 10 strike in this area, you will see 0/10. Okay, so after you have mining every day, it will be increasing to 2/10, 3/10. Immediately is 10, 10, and this area will pop up, and then you will be able to see continue. Right now, we want to continue. Just press the continue. As you can see now, I confirm that the identity used for this KYC will be the only one associated with this account and cannot be changed. So you continue. So after that, you have to set your region. Okay, you set your region, your location. So you just have to search for Nigerian. So you click Nigerian. Okay, so and then you press continue. Now face live check-in will comes in now as you start it. So now immediately the liveness check-in has come in like this. So you start. That is it. That is the end of it. You can now see that verification completed. Congratulations, your identity has been verified. You have successfully completed your KYC. That is it. It's very, very simple as you can see it. So that is exactly how to do ink face verification or Cpen verification, guys. So you press OK and immediately everything I've set. So that is how you do your verification, guys. Exactly. So find this tutorial helpful, consider to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for my next update, guys. Peace.